The idea was first floated 18 months ago by EU officials worried about falling behind in the global technology race. It's a major step in the long history of our European industry, France's Bruno Le Maire said at a press conference with his German counterpart Peter Altmaier and Maros Sefcovic, the European Commission Vice President in charge of energy. The investment pledge shows Europe is not fated to depend on technological imports from the two powers that are the United States and China, Le Maire said. Time is running out if we want our own European production in place within 4 or 5 years, Sefcovic added. At least €4 billion more would come from the 35 private firms, including top automakers and energy groups, who have signaled their readiness to join the alliance. Consortiums are made up of states, they aren't made up of government ministers or the Commission, Altmaier said. A pilot factory with around 200 employees will be opened in the coming months in France, with a goal of opening 2 production sites in France and Germany by 2023 that would generate 1,500 jobs at each. High hopes. European carmakers have been ramping up electric vehicle production after years of scandals over diesel pollution and as tougher rules on cutting carbon emissions come into force. Just last year, China's CATL announced plans for a massive new production factory in central Germany. So far, European automakers have been unwilling to go it alone with the huge investments necessary for developing and building large-scale battery construction at home. The European Union accounts for just 1% of the global production of lithium-ion cells, according to data from the BCG Consulting Group. But the market for electric vehicle batteries is expected to reach €45 billion by 2027, of which 20% to 30% will be in Europe, it forecasts. 30% of global demand. Le Maire said the new venture would be open to other EU countries, with Italy, Belgium, Poland, Austria and Finland already expressing an interest. And Altmaier cited French battery specialist Soft, acquired a few years ago by oil giant Total, as well as Europe's second biggest automaker PSA as likely participants in the venture. No decision has been made at this stage, and it won't be until the European Union makes a firm commitment on the announced state aid, a spokesman said. Altmaier has previously said he wants the EU to supply 30% of global battery demand by 2030, with several production sites in Germany and elsewhere.